In this video, we are going to see the topic under for the model 4, which is a rank of correlation. So correlation, we have seen the previous two videos with the example problem also, we have solved it. So correlation is nothing but there is a relations between the two independent variable, we will call it as a correlation. So correlation, we have a major two methods to solve it. One is we have Spearman correlation, rank correlation, and the other one is curl-Poisson coefficient of correlation. So last videos, we have solved a problem based on the curl-Poisson coefficient of correlation. Now we are going to learn the method is Spearman rank correlation. The Spearman correlation coefficient is defined as the Poisson correlation coefficients between the rank variables, and it will be denoted by the symbol of rho. Okay. So suppose x and y are two variables. Let Rx will be tell it as a rank S, rank of your x, and Ry will be rank of y, are the ranks of a variable x and y respectively, and di is the difference of two ranks, that is Rx minus Ry be the difference of a rank. Then Spearman rank correlation is given by rho is equal to 1 minus 6 of summation di squared by n cube minus n. Sum of the book it has written n of n squared minus 1. Okay, that also same thing, it is n as taken here in the denominator, that's it. So the formula is 1 minus 6 summation di squared by n cube minus n, where di is equal to rxi minus ryi. Okay, so we'll go with the problem to understand more about the rank correlation. The first question, 10 competitions in a beauty contest are ranked by two judges in the following order. Compute the coefficient of a rank correlation. So what is given us? It is related with a competition, beauty contest, and the judges has given the rank for the 1 and 2. Okay, so two judges has been given the rank of this 10 contestant. Okay, so now we are going to find the rank correlations. So what is that? As per the given, n is equal to 10, and see here it is already is mentioned in terms of rank. So no need to find it, the rank of your x and y, because this is your rank 1 and this is your rank 2. Now you can go with directly as per the formula as required, summation d square. D is nothing but difference of your rank. Okay, two ranks. So find the difference and take the square. You will get it, the answer of summation d square. It is nothing but 158. If it is required, you can make it as a table. This is your rank 1, rank 2, and d will be 1 minus 6, 6 minus 4, like that. You can write one column. Then you can take a square and add it. You will get the same answer of 158. So the rank of rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d squared is 158 by n cube minus n. What is n here? Number of data. That means number of contestants is 10, right? So the answer is 0.042. The Spearman rank correlation for the given rank is 0.042. Okay. So the next one, we have 10 students got following percentage of marks in the in two subjects x and y. Compute their rank correlation coefficient. So 10 students, how much the percentage they have got it in two subjects has been given. So x is a first subject, y is a second subject, which is 78, 36, 98, 25, 75, 82, 90, 62, 65, 39. Then 84, 51, 91, 60, 68, 62, 86, 58, 53 and 47. So now how you can find it, the rank correlation? See here, the compared to previous question. Previous question has already is mentioned as in rank, but here the two subject mark is given. So first thing we need to make it the rank 1 and rank 2, that is rank of x and rank of y. So how we will find? We should give the rank. So usually how we will give a rank? So in the class we will tell us a first rank that can be taken from the those are having out of 100 highest marks, who's having, that will be a first rank. Then again a lowest marks, that means the which you having a highest to the lowest, we can give the rank from 1 to 10, right? Here because of only 10 students, so it will come only 10 rank. Okay, so you can see that the highest one is here 98, that is the first rank, and then next one, next highest is what is 90, that is the second rank. And then what is the next one? Next highest which you have 82, this is the third rank. Then 78 is the fourth rank, and then fifth rank is 75 is the fifth rank, and then sixth rank is 65, 7th rank 62. After 62, we don't have any other 50s, 40s. I have only 39, that is the 8th rank. And then I have a 36 is a 9th rank, 25 is a 10th rank. Got it? So similar, you can go with the rank Y for your Y data. So what is that? 91 is a first rank, 86 is a second rank, third rank is 84, fourth rank is 68, fifth rank is 62, then sixth rank is 60, seventh rank is 58, and then eighth rank is 53, and then ninth rank is 51, 10th rank is 47. So we have given now the rank of your X and Y we have. So as per the Spearman rank correlation, I need for D squared. For that reason, find the difference of your rank X and rank Y. So anyway, it will be in the positive or negative. Taking the square, it will get a positive only. Okay. So difference of 4 minus 3 will be 1, 0, 0, 4, 1, minus 2, 0, 0, minus 2, minus 2. What is here? D square. This taking the square, 1 square will be 0, remaining will be 0, 0, 16, 1, 4, 0, 0, 4, 4. So summation of D squared is 30, which is rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation D squared by n cube minus n. So substitute, you can get the rank value is 0.81818. Okay. So now next question. Compute rank correlations coefficient for the following marks of 8 student selected at random in PUC and SLC. Okay. They have taken SSLC and PUC marks. Randomly they have taken for some 10 students. So we need to find for the rank correlation. So similar like a previous one, what we need to do, we have to give for the rank of your PUC marks and SLC marks. Then we have to find the difference. After that we have to find your D square. So make it for using your rank P. From the PUC marks, I will get a rank P. Then SLC marks, you can get your rank S. Now find your difference. D will be difference of RP minus RS. I will get answer is 1, 2, minus 2, 0, minus 2, 1, minus 3, 3. Now D squared will be 1 square, 2 square, minus 2 square, 0, minus 2 square, 1 square, minus 3 the square, and 3 the whole square will be 9. So sum of the D squared is equal to 32. Okay, you can verify from the calculator. Now go for the formula. What is that? Rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation D squared by n cube minus n. What is that? 1 minus 6 of 32 by 8 cube minus 8. So rho will be, what is that? 0.6191 is your rank correlations. Okay. So the one more question. 10 competitors in the music contest are ranked by 3 judges A, B, C in the following order. Use the rank correlation coefficient to decide with the which pair of judges have a nearest approach to the common table to the music. Okay. So what is that? Which you are going to make it. The 3 judges rank is here. It is already in the rank. Okay. So we are going to find it. Which pair of judges will have a nearest approach. Okay. So first thing, we are going to make it a combinations of your rank, and we are going to find out your 3 results, and according to that we are making for the conclusion. What is that? First 2 judges, that means A, B, C, you can make it for 3 judges. What is that? Difference of your first 2 A, B judges, and for B, C, then C, A. Okay. And that you can take a squared also. So AB means minus 2 the whole square. Directly I have written it 4, 1, 9, 36, 16, 64, 4, 64, 1, 1. And immediately we can find a summation D squared of AB, and similar for D squared of BC is 9, 1, 16, 36, 64, 1, 81, 1, 4. It is 2, 14, and similar for D squared CA, which will give 60. Okay. Now you can go for your each pair of judges. We have to find your rank correlation. So substitute, depends with the summation D squared value. You can substitute that the respective correlation you will get. So first 2 judges combination AB minus 0.21, BC minus 0.297, and CA 0.636. Okay. So it is observed that AB and BC is a negative. That means A and B, B and C are positive. Thus, we conclude that the judges C and D have a nearest approach to the common of the musics. Okay. So now we have concluded which is the best one, the results which has given rank of CA. Okay. So now the next question, compute the rank correlation coefficient for the following data given marks of 10 students. So similar like which you have done it, test 1, test 2, it is given as a mark. What you have to do, using the test 1, find a rank 1 and the test 2 rank 2 and find a difference and take the squared. So what I will get, the summation d squared I will get 176. Now going to substitute rho is equal to 1 minus 6 of summation d squared by n cube minus n. So substitute, you will get the correlation is minus 0.0666, you will get an answer. Okay, the similar like a when the data is given without mentioning, it is not related with a rank, this which we need to give a rank, after that only you have to find your difference of your ranks. Okay, so some more example problem has been given to practice. So first question is related with the physics and chemistry. Marks has been given for the 9 student. We need to find out here rank correlation. We should give a rank of your physics and rank of chemistry, then find the difference and take the square, substitute the formula, you can get. Okay, and the second one also for the 9 student, English and mathematics, similar like a first question. And here you have a estimate cost and actual cost. This also based on your cost we can give your rank. And the fourth one, it is already mentioned, the rank of 10 students of same batches in 2 subjects. So they have given for the rank of same batch students. Okay, 2 subjects has been given it. Here directly you can find the difference of your rank A and rank B, and you can take a square, you can able to get your rank correlation result. Okay, that's all. Thank you.